Hello, and welcome to Quiet, Dignity, and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find that linky stuff. Notification bell because reasons. Thank you so much for watching. Let's rock. I'm not very good at, nor do I like unboxing videos, but here we are. I say I'm not very good at them because the leaf blower, 2 episodes, and I didn't blow any damn leaves. Central Pneumatic, 18 gauge, 2-in-1 nail and stapler. 18 gauge, that's what worries me. The only thing I'm finding in here as a suggestion is do not exceed 90 psi. Maximum is 120. And the exploded view, Harbor Freight, good peoples. Good people. $80 stick, $80 tool. I got it for 20 bucks with a coupon. Well, why won't this focus? That's me without my glasses. Hope you can make that out. Do not exceed 90 psi, which is pretty much a duh. I tried it to see if the nozzle, if the bit fit. Yay, it does. I don't have to change. I dialed the compressor down to 40, and I'm going to start from there. Testing with 3/8 and some 1x2s. But I had to get one. Running that drill is just murder on my shoulder. Absolute hell every time I use it. I'm in constant freaking pain just being awake, but that's a different video that I'll never make. Alright, line set for 40. There's another reason I'm hesitant to use one of these though. Not just pulling things apart. If I miss a corner and go tap, how do I dig it back apart? Anyway. Prevent jams, load 18 only. See? It knows my channel, 18 only. 5/8 to 2 nails, 5/8 to 1.5 staple. Oh yeah, and you can't double them up. You can't fire both at the same time. Oil daily, or warranty is void. Well, what do you know? I got some 30 weight air oil, which is strange. See how bad the environment is? The air needs oil. Exciting footage. Yeah, just 1x2 scrap. Wasn't going to pin out that whole sheet. Just want to see for depths and what kind of power do I need without splitting. According to the safety, dry fire at once, then load it. Push the button, it goes wrong. See, that's what I don't like. With a screw, I get a second chance at it. .40 won't fire. 40 won't fire. Okay. Oh, will it help if it was at 40 instead of 30? The hell. Alright, let's try 40. And a kiss. Okay, it'll fire at 40. Yay. Alright, dry fire. Load. Isn't that nice? Gives you a nice little ammo gauge. Yay. But first, I need to fix my desk, and the legs on that, what's left of that chair, need pins in them. The 50 psi is going to work nicely.